Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Pulit ka jela ha kasni baar ka ar phuwai tarik urisau arja apusan kabadai kasni Kynmaw Burom ya ki Pulit kabahanriu phunriu ne ka 66 police commemoration day kelale Burom ya ki Pulit ke belaklat no ha kapor bakidang dan ha kakam u DIG Eastern Range u Davis NR Marak ulapentip baki dan chispa apra phunriu ngot ki Pulit ha kari India ki bela Aiti yala ka Jingim habaki dan ha kakam kata Haba khen nadu kashi tarik unai luar arhaja apusau hadu kalai pui tarik unai lar arhaja apusan. U Davis Marak ulapin ngawru ya ka kerteng jongki Pulit ki bala do no yala ka Jingim ha keleng kari. Da ka ba khen do yala de haba ki shakri ya kari. Nadu ba kari India kalayo ya ka jinglat lut. Kiladon kumba lai pun riu hajar sans pa ngut ki Pulit ki bala yap ha kapor bakidon ha kakam. Bakentup shis pa arpu khandai ngut ki dei na Megalia. Kibala yap hapdeng usnem shihaja khandai spa khandai punyo hadu usnem arja pusau Henry hauni usnem baminta omshum dan ki Pulit kibala yap ha kapor bakidan ha kakam ka Director General of Police ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang bad ki wei pat ki he officer kilabu sentiu ha ka jaka balik Burom yakini ki Pulit kibala yap no kabala long ha ka shlem trikam ki Pulit ne ka headquarter jong ki Pulit kabala long kasien kabaning kong bala penlong ya ka police commemoration day hapo ka shlem trekam ki Pulit namar hakisnem bala let laju penlong ha police reserve man usnem ka India bro ka wei ka Kynmaw Burom ya ki Pulit ki bala Aiti yala ka Jingim na ka benta ban chakri ya ki kam ka jongki ban penne ya ka shongsuk shongsan ha kari India ban ya kat kum ka an ka bala jupenlong ha ka arpoi tarik urisau Kania ka jingle Burom kelas dang nadu ka arpoi tarik urisau shiaja khandai spa san khandai ha kapor baki shipai ka China kila thombor ya ki Pulit Central Reserve Police Force hajan ka Hot Spring haladak ha kani ka jing thombor ki don shipongut ki Pulit ka India ki balayap kumta kum kadak ban Kynmaw Burom ka jing shulur jongki lanyo ya ka arpoi tarik urisau kum ka police commemoration day ne ka sngi Kynmaw Burom ya kini ki Pulit balayap Berhaduk menta lanyo ya kan ni kasngi kum kasngi ban Kynmaw Burom ban le Burom ya ki Pulit ki bla Aiti la ka Jingim ki bakentup na do ki Pulit jong ki jilla ne ki Central Armed Police Force.
आखिर शोक दिवस परेड समाप्त हुआ। परेड विसर्जन के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूँ महोदय। जय हिंद महोदय। विसर्जन।
Sri Philip Basayomoy, father of late Raymond Philip Kito MPS, to kindly lay the wreath. Family member of late Bilti Rindatyam, Inspector, to kindly lay the wreath. Sri Divin A. Sangma, father of late Sir Hemson P. Sri Sapai Lavrinyam, Smiti Blue Wardred, wife of late Jiten Singh Kulkalam, BPSI, to kindly lay the wreath. Smiti Jubilant C. Sindhi, wife of Just Palin Marvin, ABC, to kindly lay the wreath. Smiti Bhagwati Pathak, wife of late Sri Ram Pathak, ABC, to kindly lay the wreath.
I'll be reading out the names of police personnel who attained martyrdom during the period 1st September 2024 to 31st August 2025. From the state of Andhra Pradesh, Deputy Inspector M. Chakradhara Rao, Deputy SP J. Shanta Rao, Sub-Inspector M. Ashok, Constable S. Lesan Jivan, Constable M.R. Koteshwara Rao. From the state of Arunachal Pradesh, Constable Tutan Shering. From the state of Assam, Probationer Sub-Inspector Archana Devi. Lance Naik Himanshu Shaharia. From the state of Bihar, Sub-Inspector Pritam Rajak. Assistant Sub-Inspector Rajiv Ranjan Mal. Assistant Sub-Inspector Jitendra Kumar Singh. Havaldar Mithilesh Kumar. Constable Shekhar Paswan, Constable Ashok Kumar Bhagat, Constable Ravikant Kumar, Constable Mahesh Khawadu Nagulwar. From the state of Manipur, Sub-Inspector State of Nagaland, Constable Chandan Das. From the state of Odisha, Constable Lakshman Maji. Odisha Auxiliary Police Force, Loknath Sabad. From the state of Punjab, Sub-Inspector Charanjit Singh, Assistant Sub-Inspector Dhanwant Singh, Constable Harshveer Singh. From the state of Rajasthan, Assistant Sub-Inspector Surendra Kumar, Head Constable Prasadi Lal, Head Constable Prahlad Ram, Constable Atar Singh, Constable Ram Singh, Constable Nen Narayan Gujar Pradesh, Inspector Company Commander Sunil Kumar, Head Constable Durgesh Kumar Singh, Constable Shorab Kumar. From the state of Uttarakhand, Additional Platoon Commander Pushkar Chandra Joshi, Additional Sub-Inspector Sanjeev Nayan Jaguri, Constable Dhanraj, Constable Mukul Lal. From the state of West Bengal, Sub-Inspector Shubhas Chandra Roy, Sub-Inspector Raj Kumar Karmakar, Sub-Inspector Subhash Chandra Bishwas, Sub-Inspector Jitendra Prasad Soren, Sub-Inspector Jayanta Goshal, Assistant Sub-Inspector Tapas Mudi, SSF, Sub-Inspector Muhammad Imtiaz, Sub-Inspector Suman Kumar Sona, Assistant Sub-Inspector Shashi Kumar Pandey, Assistant Sub-Inspector Sonaram Brui, Head Constable Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, Head Constable Gulam Muhammad Shah, Head Constable Ram Babu Thakur, Head Constable Hari Pal, Head Constable Surendra Kumar, Head Constable Coach, Constable Anando Coach. From ITBP, Head Constable Vaishnam Ibomcha Singh, Head Constable Sunil Kumar, Constable K. Rajesh, Constable Hawar Amar Shamrao, Constable Zafar Iqbal. From SSP, Inspector Sankar Sarkar, Assistant Sub-Inspector Ashok Kumar, Constable Ganesh Murthy D, Constable Akhilesh Gupta, Constable Shivpal Singh, Constable Rajendra Prasad Banviya. From NDRF, Constable Surendra Dutt Nautiyal. From RPF, Assistant Sub-Inspector Ramesh Kumar Singh, Assistant Sub-Inspector Hari Narayan Sarkar, Head Constable Mandala Srinivasa Rao, Head Constable Theodore Soreng, Head Constable P. Ayapan, Constable Badsha Singh, Constable Sanjay Omprakash Mishra, Constable Shrikant Trinkat Wak Male, Constable Arvind Tomar. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. We shall now proceed with the laying of wreaths at the Martyrs' Memorial in honor of the police officers who made the ultimate sacrifice in the service of the nation. May I now request Honorable Director, General of Police Mekhaya, Smiti I. Namram IPS to kindly lay the wreath.